Hey everyone, Heather VanderMyde here with Caldwell Banker Seaside Realty and the VanderMyde Real Estate Group. Casey Raybar, Trish Bearway, our new agent that's joined our team, Will Gregg, and Kirsten Farr. As you know, we used to do weekly updates, but our business just went insane and it just got so hard to keep up. So we are now back and committed to doing a monthly update for you. So right now, today, we are at 156 Battlefield Court, my beautiful home behind me. It's our newest listing in Heritage Point. Sound front, 5 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,374 square feet with a private pool. You must check that out, $1,199,000. It's a great home, gorgeous kitchen. See Casey in the kitchen. And if you want more details, just check out our details on YouTube that we have under this link. All right, let's get started. So as always, Kirsten usually gives us the update on stats and what's going on in our market. So Kirsten, please let us know what's going on in today's market.
Well, I think it's no big surprise how hot 2020 was. It was the best real estate market the Outer Banks has ever experienced. And that sounds drastic, but seriously, sales volume and units were increased over 20% compared to our last best market in 2004. Units increased 46%, sales volume was up 73%, and the average sales price was right about $508,000, which was a 16% increase from last year. So what will 2020 bring is the big question everyone's asking right now. And I think we're off to a pretty exciting start. Just last week, January 3rd through the 9th, that's 6 days, you guys. We had 58 new listings, 78 went under contract, 60 sold. You know, it's hot. We're starting out hot. Our broker in charge was actually like, am I reading this wrong? That's a lot of activity. So, you know, we suspect 21 to be great.
Exactly. Thank you. Yeah, it's so hard to determine this market because it's a new market for us all and the activity's crazy for January. So it's very exciting. Okay, let's get to something fun. So as always, Will Gregg loves to share what we can do on the Outer Banks this time of year and what's going on in the fun arena on the Outer Banks. So Will, what do you have for us?
Every day is a beautiful day here on the Outer Banks, Heather, and one of the great places that we can go to escape from all that activity is a place called Run Hill. It's very, very, not very well known, a little bit off the beaten path. It's 127 acres. It's just off 10th Street in Kill Devil Hills on the west side of KDH. It abuts the disc golf course, and from time to time, you'll catch me out there. We've got links in the comments below as to what the Run Hill facility is, how you can get to it. It's just off 10th Street. It's also just off of Airstrip Road. You can get there that way, or you can trespass in off the disc golf course. But I didn't tell you to do that. And then you have 127 acres of a dune that used to be part of the Seven Sisters complex. If you ever get a chance to get out there, I know you're going to have a good time.
Awesome. Thanks, Will. I love going to Run Hill. It is a beautiful place to be at sunset as well. So great place to check out.
Yep.
All right, Trish. I'm so excited you're a part of our team, and we're excited to have 2021 going on with you a part of it. So tell us what's going on in the rental market. You know, we know sales are doing well. How are rentals this year so far?
Well, as Kirsten said, the real estate sales market was a stunner this year, but our rental figures are equally as stunning. We saw about a 15% increase in reservations over the previous year, and 80%, which is the real stunner in revenue.
Wow.
And yeah, next year is really, really looking strong. We're about 45% ahead compared to the year before, and so far we're 60% ahead in revenue for rentals. So I think a lot of people discovered the Outer Banks for the first time, and obviously they're coming back.
Yeah. Okay, let's hear what's going on in the national statistics as far as real estate goes. So Casey Raybar, you want to share that with us, please?
Absolutely. So 2020, obviously high levels, hot market. However, even though that market was so hot in 2020, they expect it to be even hotter in 2021. Danielle Hale, the chief economist for Realtor.com, says that they expect sales to grow 7% and prices to rise another 5.7% on top of everything that we already experienced in 2020's market. So it just continues to be hot. It's just a very hot market.
Yeah, it is. It's crazy out there. COVID crazies. But
Yeah.
anyway, just wanted to invite everyone to check out our website and look at our listings. And if you'd like comparative market analysis to give you the value on your home, to see what you might want to sell it for today, because it is a seller's market and we need inventory. So please give one of us a call. We would love to help you. I hope you have a great and safe January, and we'll see you again February. Bye-bye.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Care now.
See ya.